Hello guys, Mehul here, back in with another new video. So today I have another new tool that is that real kind or real time OCR kind of thing. Okay, that one of them I have actually like with similar feature I have actually showcased before, but in that particular tool, like in Blackbox, Blackbox.ai, uh, not .ai, blackbix.ai. The product name was Blackbox. There you have to create an account. Okay, create a free account in order to get those things running. Okay, but here you don't have to have an account at all. It will just work. It will just work magically. I don't know how, but it just works. Okay, so let me show you what I am talking about and what are its pros and cons. Okay, so let's get started about it. So here is our today's tool, that is Quixie Toolbox. I don't think the name is proper, to be honest. It shouldn't have something like related to OCR, but it's not. So what can we do? Whatever. You can use this tool easily. So I have installed this tool already, and here it is. And when I am gonna click on it, it will like give me the option to select an area and choose the language as well. So it can detect Hindi as well. That is also great. I am assuming this is made by an Indian people. That's why they have included Hindi. So you can use Hindi, English, French, and Chinese as well. So click on select area, and I have tried on this as well. So I will just, oh wait, let it process. Okay. So here is something like this, but let us do it again because this time it failed. Yeah. So yeah, let's do it. Let's see what we get. What? Are you serious? Yeah, now it is coming. I don't know why it didn't walk over here, but yeah, now it is coming totally fine. And let's try for a big chunk of portion as well. Okay, so let's start from number two. Whatever portion I have selected. Let's see if it works or not. But as you can see, it takes a little bit time, and actually it worked. It worked fine. Actually it worked. So as you can see, it takes a little bit of time, rather than black box. Like in black box it just instantly happen, just within a quick snap. But yeah, you don't have to create an account with it. That's one plus point of this thing. And you can use it for Hindi as well. That's also great. But yeah, those are the certain things that you have to keep in mind, that it will take some time and you have to use some pictures, rather than you will not get it. But to be honest, I have naptha project as well. As you can see, I can directly click on it and select it. So naptha project is one another tool that can easily detect English text only. So that is also a OCR kind of thing. That is obviously uh, uh, real time OCR detecting from photos. But one thing you will notice that it is not just about photo, but it can detect text from videos as well, as it is just copying one area. So that is also possible with it. But in terms of accuracy, what I would say, like what would be better, in terms of usability, I would still go for black box, I think. But yeah, if you are some kind of person who is really respectful to their privacy, and you are too much privacy conscious, and you don't want to make a bunch of accounts everywhere, you can obviously use this plugin. This is also great. Okay, and obviously a little time. It will take a little time to process all of those things that you have to give actually. So yeah, that's about it about this Chrome plugin and yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you're gonna use it or not, or if you would pray for black box instead, or if you are using Naphtha project, or if you have something better with you, please let me know that as well. Share that with me. And that's it. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel and give some likes, do some comments, so the algorithm catches my videos as well, because subscriber count is too low right now. Like recently I just crossed 300 subscribers, but still it's too low, man. Do subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, do everything, and that's it. Bye.